Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your SimScript app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just scrolling down here until you will find here apps, click on it. You come to apps list and here you're looking for SimScript app. Just click on search here. Add here SimScript here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop, click on OK. You're scrolling down here, click on storage, click here on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, just click here on Play Store here, and here you search for SimScript. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.